Lal Bahadur Shastri Group of Institutions is spreading the light of knowledge, standing on the pillars of Shraddha, Gyan and Karma.
LBS Kindergarten is founded by the alumni of educationalist Mr. Kuldeep Mathur at Educational Hub, Kota, Rajasthan. LBS Kindergarten is India's most sophisticated and the most affordable preschool to start with. Play Zone. We have different toys where kids can explore and play. Outdoor, indoor games help students to grow. Our play zone has something for active or quiet play and individual or collaborative play. There is something for everyone and every mood. The play area is a shoe-free zone to help keep it clean. Children are requested to remove their shoe before entering. Play zone equipped with board game, puzzle, gym, slides, jumpy and trampoline, etc.
Lal Bahadur Shastri Group of Institutions is spreading the light of knowledge, standing on the pillars of Shraddha, Gyan and Karma.